A quiet site is one of the most expensive sites in construction. No one's working, the clock's still running, and every day that passes is a day someone's paying for. Industry figures suggest more than half of construction projects run 1 to 3 months over schedule, and only around 1 in 3 actually starts on time. So today, we're going through the delays that come up again and again on UK builds, and, more importantly, exactly how to stop them happening on yours. Let's start with the one nobody can control: British weather. Heavy rain, high winds, and freezing temperatures can all halt work outright, particularly during groundworks, roofing, and exterior finishing, the stages most exposed to the elements. Even a forecast that looks clear can turn into a sudden stoppage for safety reasons. You can't stop the rain, but you can stop it from derailing your program. The fix is building weather contingency days directly into your schedule from the start, sequencing weather-sensitive stages, like roofing, for the most likely dry windows, and having a fallback task ready so trades aren't standing idle on a washed-out day. Supply chain disruption has become one of the biggest sources of delay on UK sites. Even one missing component, a set of windows, a boiler, a specific tile, can bring an entire project to a standstill, because so many trades depend on that one item being in place before they can start. The fix here is procurement discipline: order early, confirm availability before each phase begins rather than assuming it'll turn up, and build an extra lead time for anything bespoke or imported. A 5-minute phone call to a supplier 2 weeks before you need something is far cheaper than a 2-week gap in your program. Not every delay happens on site, some happen before the site even opens. Planning permission can take longer than expected, especially if a council requests further information partway through an application. And design changes made after work has already started are one of the most disruptive delays of all, because they often mean undoing finished work, not just slowing future work. The fix is getting decisions locked in early. Finalize your design before breaking ground, not during. Respond to council information requests immediately rather than letting them sit. And treat any post-start design change as a real decision with a real cost and time impact, not a quick tweak. Skilled labor remains in short supply across UK construction, and that scarcity shows up as delay. Tasks simply take longer with fewer hands, and a missed handover between trades ripples forward through the whole schedule. Unreliable subcontractors compound this, particularly when there's no real accountability if they miss a date. The fix is building your team properly from day one: vetted, reliable trades, clear contracts with real deadlines attached, and a main point of contact who's actually tracking progress day to day rather than assuming it's all on schedule. Incomplete or unclear drawings and poor coordination between architect, engineer, and contractor lead to rework, and rework is one of the biggest hidden killers of a construction timeline. It's not one dramatic event, it's small confusions that repeat: a pipe run installed before the electrician's cable route was confirmed, a wall built before a revised measurement came through. The fix is proper coordination before work starts, not during it, a shared, current set of drawings that every trade is actually working from, and a clear process for confirming details before they're built, not after. Not every delay is the builder's fault. Slow approvals, late decisions on finishes and fittings, and funding gaps partway through a project all sit on the client side, and they're just as capable of stopping a build in its tracks as a missing delivery. The fix is the same principle again: decide early. Choose your kitchen, your tiles, your fittings, before the stage that needs them arrives, not when the tradesperson is already standing there waiting for an answer. Notice the pattern. Almost none of these delays come from one big, dramatic failure. They come from small breakdowns, a missed handoff, a slow decision, an unconfirmed delivery that repeat and stack until a schedule that looked fine on paper is suddenly weeks behind. Not every delay can be avoided, weather and genuine supply shocks will always play a role. But most of what pushes a project from 12 months to 18 is preventable, with the right planning, the right team, and decisions made early instead of late. At Mica Construction, we build contingency and proper coordination into every program from day one, so you get a realistic timeline, not a hopeful one. Get in touch, and let's plan your build properly from the start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.